Welcome to the video tutorial on shared content. In this tutorial, we'll touch on 3 different topics that have to do with shared content. First, we'll show you how you can actually copy resources such as images or videos or even scenes between multiple accounts. Next, I'll demonstrate some of the shared content that's already in the account for scenes and resources. And we'll wrap things up demonstrating how you can share the actual presentation with someone else. So with that, let's begin. So the first thing I wanted to demonstrate is the ability to copy both resources as well as scenes between multiple accounts or multiple user logins. So first I'll go into my scene right here that I could have put a lot of effort into, but actually I didn't. I just imported it from the shared resources. And I want to go ahead and share this particular scene with another account. So all I have to do is simply select it, click on import export, select export. And you can see now that I've selected export, I can import it into the same account, which essentially will just duplicate it. So that's not what I want. Now that I've exported it, all I want to do is I want to actually go ahead and log out. Next, I want to go ahead and log into a separate account, a different account. I'll switch to scenes, click again on the import export, and notice that now I can import. So I'll go ahead and select that. Give it a sec. And notice that I have this imported scene, and both the configuration and the resources of that scene got imported over. Another neat feature is the ability to copy and paste between accounts from our Legacy Studio to our Sign Studio. So here I have this CrossFit 3 scene on a separate account. This is actually a separate user login. So I'll go ahead and click on copy for this particular scene. I'll go ahead and switch back to my Sign Studio. And notice that now my import is again set as 1. Click on import. And you'll notice import scene 242 was copied over with all of its resources. Also, if you go to resources, you can do the same thing with resources. So you can select multiple resources and you can copy and paste between accounts, both the Sign Studio and the Legacy Studio, simply by exporting and importing to another account. Same as before, you will export and then import in the respective account. So the import export is a great feature to be able to create content and then move it between accounts without having to reproduce your work. Another cool feature that I wanted to demonstrate is the shared content. So if you go to resources and click on the star icon, you'll notice that we have a lot of pre-made content for you that you can take advantage of. Simply select the content that you want. You can click on the import and begin using it in your presentation. And the same is true for the scenes. Switch over to the scenes. Again, click on the star and you'll see a ton of pre-made content that you can take advantage of. And the last thing I wanted to touch upon is the ability to share a scene via URL. So what you can do is simply click on the play right here. You'll copy the URL to clipboard. Simply open another tab, paste the URL. And you can use this with anyone via email or any other method that you want to share the presentation of a particular scene. So as you can see, it's super easy to share your content, let's say with a graphic designer or someone else that you're working with. So in this quick video tutorial, I demonstrated how to share your content, whether it be scenes or resources, via the import and export, as well as the ability to look at our shared content for resources and scene pre-made content in the studio, as well as sharing the URL of a scene with someone else. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thanks for watching.